I am Lorenzo Buenviaje Rellosa. I am the president of Luluran International Corporation.
I am Sergio Rondayao. They call me VP Santi. As of this moment, I am the Vice President for Sales and Marketing ng Telepreneur Corp at the same time ng Luluran International Corporation.
I'm Mariel Rellosa Astudillo, the Executive Vice President of Luluran International Corporation.
I am Leo Rellosa, Vice President for Finance.
I am Ana Lorraine Rellosa, Vice President for Operations of Luluran International Corporation.
I am Nina Corazon Alvarado, the General Manager of Luluran International Corporation.
Nabuo ang LLIC dahil sa mga pangarap.
It just started with a simple brainstorming of the Board of Directors of Telepreneur Corporation. TPC is the mother company of LLIC. So we thought of putting up a company that can go international.
Before LLIC, I worked with ABS-CBN Corporation for 11 years. And my stint there was where I learned the power of leadership. And that's what I wanted to share to our LLIC family. Let me share to you that we have a very big potential in terms of market share. Do you know that in year 2020, the revenue in beauty and personal care industry grew by 2.5 billion US dollars, or that is worth 125 billion pesos.
The strength of the company lies on the unique products of LLIC. We have Korean-made hypoallergenic products that are not harmful to the face and body of any individual. Aside from that, we have a very strong team geared towards achieving the goals of the company.
What makes LLIC unique? Una-una po is yung products po namin. Lahat po yan ay FDA approved. And aside from the product, ang importante po kasi yung compensation plan. We have a very unique compensation plan. Third, ito po yung pinaka-importante, yung relationship ng management po sa aming mga members. So for the year 2022, stay tuned po tayo, mga members po ng LLIC, because magde-develop po tayo or mag-a-add pa po tayo na mas magagandang products po para po ma-enjoy naman po yan ng ating mga members.
Globally, the personal care and beauty industry grew by 483 billion US dollars with an annual growth of 40.75%. And that only means that in year 2025, the revenue will be a whopping 716 billion US dollars. And see, that's how big the market is.
I love the attitude of all the people involved in LLIC. Its board of directors, its employees, the marketing arm of LLIC, which is GUV. I love their dedication and hard work.
Ang ultimate dream ko talaga, or our goal, makapag-deliver ng mga pangarap ng mga tao. Since tayo naman ay may napatunayan na locally. So, nag-create tayo ng isang platform para makipag-compete international naman. Kasi we love making history.
For LLIC, napakalaki po ng opportunity na to at napakalaki po ng playing field natin dito. We can still develop our comp plan. Actually, our comp plan is just starting off. Mas malaki pa ang pwedeng ibigay nito for 2022. And 2022 is kumbaga, napakalaking opportunity because we're starting to open up. And because of this, alam ko na mas marami pa tayong matutulungan ng mga kababayan natin. Mga Pinoy, sa Pilipinas, of course, and abroad. And goal, sa akin po, when we started doing our previous company, yung ating mother company, ang simple lang ang goal namin nila, Pres, yung baguhin yung hapagkainan ng bawat Pilipino. Pero hindi ginawa ni Lord yon. In fact, hindi lang hapagkainan ang binago ni Lord, no? Binago ng ating Panginoon, kundi yung buong buhay ng pagkatao ng mga Pilipino. And for this LLIC, this is a bigger opportunity. This is more than 15 times more than opportunity compared to our mother company. So sa akin, naniniwala ko na mas malaki pa, mas malawak pa pwedeng maabot ng LLIC sa panahon nito. Especially sa year 2022, nako, excited na po kami. Kasi we will conquer the world. Yun po yung gusto natin. Yung merong LLIC in every corner of the world. No? Dali natin sa ibang ibayo yung ating ano. Especially mga Pilipino, lahat naman ng mga Pilipino nasa iba't ibang bansa. It's so easy na nadalin ito sa iba't ibang bansa dahil nandoon na tayo. We can start with our Filipinos outside.
Since I'm also a ex-OFW, I know the experience, the sacrifices of our OFW. That's why I keep on praying to our dear Lord to help me, to give me an opportunity to help our OFW. Kasi gusto kong through this platform, makapagpauwi tayo ng OFW.
Napakaganda po kasi ng LLIC in terms of for our OFWs. Kasi siyempre gusto natin, we bring back sana yung mga OFW natin because napakahirap kasi ng buhay sa ibang bansa. Hindi madali yon, and even our president experienced that. Unfortunately, sayang nga kung ako na-experience din sana ako. No? Pero marami tayong friends na nahirapan ngayon sa abroad. And this is one way of helping them. This is one way of sharing them an opportunity, an amazing opportunity na pwedeng mabago yung buhay nila. And at the same time, baka ito yung way para makabalik sila sa family nila. And not minding kung ano yung merong ibibigay sa kanila ang abroad. In fact, pwede rin naman ibigay dito sa Pinas. Why not? Why not? Everybody wants to be beautiful, right? So, it's a good thing na meron tayong beauty products kasi everybody wants to be young, beautiful, handsome, di ba? So, it's better also to take care of our skin, whether it's beauty products or what. Kasi maganda po yun na sa panahon ngayon, especially pandemic, akala natin hindi na nakamask tayo palagi. Pero kahit nakamask tayo, kailangan natin alagaan. Di ba, ang sarap din pumasok sa room ng mga old friends mo and someone will tell you na, wow, you look 10 years younger, right?
We chose beauty products because we wanted to boost the confidence of men and women, not only Filipinos, but all the men and women of all nations.
To all our LLICians, to all our distributors, thank you so much for trusting us. And kapit lang po, ang LLIC kasi, it's a dream-driven company. So, kailangan talaga, we have to establish first our deepest why. Thank you so much for trusting us. And sa lahat po na nagtitiwala at patuloy na magtitiwala, andyan po ang ating mga GUV family, our general manager, DBODs. Hindi kami titigil hanggat di namin na i-deliver yung mga pangarap ninyo. So, keep on praying. If you want to be somebody someday, ask for His guidance, hard work, believe in yourself. Dadali namin kayo sa mga pangarap ninyo. To God be all the glory, and thank you so much. God bless po.
So dear LLIC distributors, you just made the right decision. Welcome to LLIC family. God bless.
So to all LLIC members and our members here in the Philippines and abroad, thank you so much for trusting LLIC, Lord Loran International Corp. Alam niyo po, napakalaki pong opportunity na ito. At huwag niyo po itong palalampasin. Sa akin lang po, 2 things lang po palagi. No, 2 things lang. Para madaling tandaan, 2 things lang. Number 1 po, Pag ginawa niyo po itong LLIC, kayang baguhin ito yung buhay ninyo. At kayang, hindi lang yung buhay ninyo, kundi yung mga darating pang henerasyon sa inyo. Pangalawa po, hindi niyo po ito gagawin mag-isa, kundi sama-sama tayo bilang isang buong pamilya natin itong gagawin. Hindi po kayo lang ang mababago yung buhay, kundi makakatulong din kayo sa ibang tao na mabago yung buhay. So sa akin, sa mga friends natin, sa mga members ng LLIC, congratulations po for making your decision. And sa akin po, trabahuin natin to. Sama-sama natin gawin. At alam ko, naniniwala ako na meron pong Diyos na nakatingin sa atin. At alam naman natin yung plano ng ating Panginoon sa ating lahat, di ba? To make us prosper and to give us future. Yun din po yung ibibigay nila ng Panginoon sa inyong lahat na nandirito na nanonood. Sana rin po, pagtulong-tulungan po natin to. Wala pong maiiwan. Sama-sama natin abutin yung mga pangarap natin. Mabuhay po kayo. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you. Let's continue to pray for one another. Keep safe and God bless us all.
Mag-ingat po tayong lahat and see you soon. God bless us all.